food and wine pairings is something that winetext.com is going to focus on more this year. Look for some more ideas when it comes to what wines go with what foods or dishes, so on and so forth. I thought this article I noticed this morning was pretty interesting because it talks about what the best wine to drink with steak would be. In this case, they talk about reds, obviously, which most people would think, specifically Malbec and Cabernet, which are two of the biggest selling red wines on WineText in general. But they also bring up an interesting point. What if you want to drink white wine? And can you drink white wine? And the answer, of course, is yes, you can. It just depends on what white wine you're choosing. So in this article, they talk about picking a couple of different wines a little higher in alcohol, good acidity, maybe a little oak. They talk about California Chardonnay, which a lot of you know, obviously. They also talk about slightly oaked white Rioja. We've had a couple of those on winetext.com. We've had a ton of great Chardonnay that I don't think a lot of people would think about when it comes to steak. But both red and white options are there for steak. Options are there for all kinds of other food and wine pairing options, which we're going to bring to you more this year. Sign up for winetext.com right now to see more of these incredible different wine and food pairings and incredible pricing on wine day in and day out. Sign up today, winetext.com.